Welcome to Galaxy Stories and Songs. Let's dive in.
A is for Adam, first in line. B is the Bible, God's design. C is for Christ, my saving King. D is for dance, let your praises ring. E for Esther, the daring queen. F is for faith, walk in the light. G is for Goliath, the giant who died. H is for Hannah, who prayed so long. From A to Z, His love is true, and every beat brings me close to you. A is for Israel, God's special land. J is for Jesus, who holds my hand. K is for the kindness, show some love. L is for light in the darkest night. M is for Moses, who led the way. N is for Noah, who built the ark. O is for obey God's perfect plan. P is for praise, lift your hands and stand. Q is for quiet, to hear God speak. R is for the rock, strong and unique. S is for the Spirit, guiding my way. T is for trust, every day. E for Esther,